information I wanted to give to Honorable Medad and Parliament is that yesterday our lawyers who represent Dr. Besigye and Ajobed visited the Commissioner General of Prisons. And he said his understanding was that people needed to leave. Besigye and Ajobed needed to leave his prison on Friday when the judgment became effective. And he said he was there seated waiting for the Attorney General. Up to yesterday, the Attorney General had disappeared from him. The last time this happened, the last time people were in Ruzira on no warrant was after the fall of Idi Amin. I interviewed Brigadier Ssaabawolereza when I was a journalist. And he said they were driven to Ruzira and they were told, you go there, the warrant will come.